DJI is once again preparing to revolutionize the drone industry, and this time, all eyes are on what could be one of the most groundbreaking FPV drones ever made, the DJI Avata 3, a next-generation drone rumored to introduce 360-degree recording capabilities to directly challenge Insta360's recent innovations. After the successful release of the DJI Neo 2, enthusiasts are already shifting their focus to this upcoming FPV powerhouse, which might completely redefine how we capture immersive aerial content. Leaks, whispers, and insider images have all hinted that DJI is deep into testing, with sightings of what's believed to be the Avata 3 appearing across online communities and tech forums in China. Some refer to it as the DJI 360 or DJI Avata 3, but one thing is certain: the design, the features, and the ambition behind this machine clearly mark it as the next evolution of the Avata lineup. Early images show a drone that retains the familiar compact, cinematic sinuhoop style but with a completely new camera architecture that could finally bring full 360 degrees visual capture to DJI's ecosystem. This aligns with previous leaks from the FCC filing in early 2025, followed by prototype test images in May, showing testers flying a visibly re-engineered Avata drone equipped with a much larger gimbal and lens housing. More recently, photos from Chinese drone forums show what seems to be DJI's final production design, indicating the launch could be imminent, possibly before the end of 2025. From first impressions, the Avata 3 appears similar in overall shape to its predecessor, but the refinements are substantial when you look closer. The new design features a significantly larger gimbal housing, suggesting that DJI has integrated a dual-lens or 360 degrees imaging system, an upgrade that could make this drone the first FPV machine capable of truly spherical video recording without third-party attachments. If that's true, it would be a monumental step forward, putting DJI head-to-head with companies like Insta360 and GoPro in immersive imaging. The leaked design also shows the battery placement moved from the top to the rear, improving aerodynamics and balancing the drone's center of gravity for more stable FPV maneuvers. DJI seems to have completely removed the bright orange propeller guards from the Avata 2, opting instead for a sleek, dark gray protective frame that looks more aerodynamic and aggressive, reducing drag, improving airflow, and giving it a stealthy aesthetic that professionals will appreciate. Another key change is the transition from 3-blade to 4-blade propellers, a subtle yet significant upgrade that indicates DJI's focus on performance and precision. In FPV flight dynamics, 4-blade props provide more thrust, improved torque, and better stability, especially during rapid directional changes, making the drone faster, smoother, and more responsive, perfect for cinematic chase shots and tight urban flying. Inside, the camera upgrade may be the biggest leap forward. Multiple leaks and trusted sources suggest that the Avata 3 could feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, far larger than the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Avata 2. This would drastically enhance image quality, low-light performance, and dynamic range, allowing creators to shoot ultra-clear, high-contrast footage even in challenging lighting conditions such as dawn, dusk, or indoor spaces. The improvement in color depth and noise handling could make this drone a serious tool for filmmakers, vloggers, and YouTubers who rely on crisp aerial visuals to tell their stories. When paired with DJI's advanced stabilization systems, Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, footage should remain unbelievably smooth even during aggressive FPV dives or barrel rolls. These algorithms, already known for their cinematic smoothness, may get another round of optimization to handle the high data rates that come with 360 degrees recording. Beyond visuals, DJI is rumored to be pushing the Avata 3's safety and navigation systems to a whole new level. Sources indicate the inclusion of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a major upgrade over the Avata 2's limited front-facing sensors. This would make the Avata 3 not only safer but also beginner-friendly, appealing to pilots who are new to FPV while still giving pros the freedom to fly close to obstacles without fear of crashing. The Avata 3 is also expected to use DJI's next-gen O4 video transmission system, which promises an ultra-low latency 1080p live feed with extended range, up to 13 kilometers under FCC standards. This technology ensures that pilots can enjoy a fluid and highly immersive FPV experience, especially when used with the rumored DJI Goggles 4 and the new DJI RC Motion 3 controller. These accessories, with improved ergonomics and faster response times, would make complex tricks, tight turns, and precise acrobatic movements feel intuitive and natural. In terms of performance, battery life is reportedly increased to 23 to 25 minutes, which, while not revolutionary, represents a solid improvement given the enhanced hardware and potentially heavier camera. For an FPV drone, this endurance level is impressive, as most FPV models traditionally offer less than 20 minutes per charge. The Avata 3 could be built with a high-capacity intelligent battery that supports faster charging and possibly even USB-C PD compatibility for on-the-go recharging with portable power banks, a big advantage for content creators shooting in remote locations. When it comes to pricing, the leaks suggest the DJI Avata 3 will sit slightly higher than the Avata 2, reflecting its step up in technology. Expected retail pricing ranges from $549 to $649 for the standalone drone, with the Fly More combo expected between $1,099 and $1,249, depending on included accessories. A premium combo package featuring goggles, multiple batteries, and a motion controller could reach $1,499 to $1,799, targeting serious aerial filmmakers. While these prices might seem steep, the added value, especially if the 360-degree system is confirmed, makes the upgrade worthwhile. DJI's dedication to refining every detail, from motor performance to software optimization, ensures that each iteration of its FPV series pushes the limits of creativity and control. Early testers claim that flight handling feels tighter, with reduced drift and enhanced throttle response, ideal for capturing dynamic chase sequences or weaving through dense environments. DJI could also implement new shooting modes designed for immersive VR video production, where creators can use the 360 degrees footage for interactive virtual experiences. This would position the Avata 3 not just as a drone, but as a versatile storytelling tool that merges FPV adrenaline with cinematic immersion. The Avata 3's release window is still unconfirmed, but considering DJI's product cycle and testing leaks, a launch in late 2025 or early 2026 seems likely. DJI is known for unveiling major products around September, aligning with the timeline seen in previous drone releases like the Neo 2 and Mini series. Whenever it arrives, the Avata 3 could set a new gold standard in FPV drone technology, combining innovation, power, and user-friendliness in one compact package. For content creators, YouTubers, and aerial filmmakers, this drone could unlock new levels of creative freedom, allowing them to record stunning 360 degrees action sequences, cinematic FPV passes, and VR-ready experiences all in one flight. DJI's long-standing reputation for quality, combined with its constant pursuit of the next technological leap, ensures that the Avata 3 will not just be an upgrade but a complete redefinition of what FPV drones can achieve. If these leaks and rumors prove accurate, we're looking at a future where DJI dominates both the FPV and 360 degrees markets simultaneously, and that's a thrilling prospect for anyone who loves the art of aerial storytelling.